Aromatherapy is an ancient healing practice that utilizes essential oils which have been extracted from plants and herbs in order to promote physical, mental, and emotional health and well-being. Aromatherapy is believed to have originated in ancient China and India and has been used in a variety of healing practices throughout the world. Essential oils are known for their powerful properties and have been used by various cultures for centuries. Essential oils are made up of tiny molecules that are easily absorbed into the skin and can be inhaled, topically applied to the skin, or taken internally depending on the oil. When inhaled, essential oils can be beneficial for the respiratory system and can help to soothe the nervous system, relieving stress and aiding sleep. When applied topically, essential oils can be beneficial for treating skin conditions. The effects of aromatherapy can be felt both mentally and physically when the scents are inhaled. Different essential oils are associated with different emotional responses. For example, lavender is known for its calming, relaxing effects, whereas rosemary has energizing effects and can help to stimulate mental clarity and focus. Aromatherapy can be used for a variety of healing purposes like to reduce pain, calm nerves, and improve sleep quality. Overall, essential oils offer many benefits and are a practical, enjoyable way to incorporate the power of nature into everyday life. The science of aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a practice of using aromatic plant extracts to improve physical and mental health and well-being. If you are looking for an all-natural way to support your overall health, aromatherapy may be a great option for you. Aromatherapy involves using essential oils and other aromatic compounds to improve the overall health of a person. Essential oils are natural substances found in the leaves, flowers, stems, or roots of plants. They can be used in a variety of forms, such as massage, steam inhalation, or face masks and baths. How does aromatherapy work? Aromatherapy works on a number of levels. First, the essential oils used in aromatherapy contain properties that directly affect the body as soon as they are inhaled. Compounds like terpenes and phenols in essential oils can interact with the body's natural hormones, neurotransmitters, and receptors to produce certain effects. Additionally, the smell of the essential oils can trigger a number of powerful psychological responses, such as pleasure, comfort, and relaxation. Most importantly, aromatherapy is thought to work by being absorbed through the skin and entering the bloodstream. From there, the compounds in the essential oils interact with the body's cells and tissues to provide benefits like relaxation and stress reduction. In some cases, these compounds can help to support healthy metabolism, digestion, and even immunity. Essential oils are powerful natural remedies that have been used for centuries to combine physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual healing. Filled with powerful, natural aromatic compounds and active ingredients, essential oils have the potential to provide a variety of health benefits for the user. There are numerous potential benefits associated with the use of essential oils, including stress relief, treating skin issues, reducing inflammation, boosting mental clarity, and fighting off infections. In addition to these internal and external health benefits, certain essential oils have a calming and uplifting effect on the mood, as well as creating a sense of balance and well-being. Treating skin issues, many essential oils have antiseptic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that make them beneficial for treating many skin-related issues, from eczema and psoriasis to wrinkles and sun damage. For example, lavender oil is known to soothe skin irritation and aloe vera is well known for its hydrating and healing powers. Boost mental clarity. Did you know that essential oils can also help improve mental clarity and focus? Lemongrass, rosemary, peppermint, and basil are known to boost cognitive function and mental clarity, while other oils, like chamomile and lavender, can help reduce anxiety and promote deep sleep. Essential oils can be a great way to improve your health and well-being and can be used in many different ways, from soothing headaches and easing general difficulty in sleeping to calming frazzled nerves and creating a sense of balance and happiness. But with the variety of options available, how do you know how to choose the right oil for you? 1. Understand your personal needs. Before purchasing any kind of essential oil, be sure to analyze your own needs. Are you looking for something that will help ease stress, promote sleep, or to help with digestion? Know your purpose. 2. Research the qualities of each oil. Different oils have different properties, so it's important to research each kind to find out what it's most suitable for. There are essential oils that have calming and soothing properties while others have more stimulating effects. Be sure to do your research to find out which oil is the best fit for your needs. Free. Only buy high-quality essential oils. Quality is important in order to guarantee that you're getting the full therapeutic benefit of the oil thoroughly diluted, organic and/or cold-pressed. Not all companies adhere to quality control standards or use constituents, so be sure to do your research prior to making a purchase. Essential oils have long been used for relaxation and stress relief, and for good reason. Ancient civilizations used many aspects of nature, including plant-based oils, in everyday life as forms of healing and protection from unwanted stressors. Modern-day aromatherapy is a wonderful way to tap into this holistic system of health and wellness. It is an easy and natural way to promote relaxation, mental clarity, and peace of mind. When inhaled, the scent of essential oils is thought to stimulate the limbic system in the brain and affect certain emotions, depending on the oil being used. It is believed that certain scents can influence the endocrine system, which releases hormones that can cause relaxation. The most commonly used essential oils for relaxation are lavender, chamomile, clary sage, bergamot, and cedarwood. Lavender has a sweet and herbaceous scent, and it is believed to be the most versatile of all essential oils. It is reputed to soothe physical tension, enliven the senses, and reduce stress hormones. Chamomile, with its sweet and gentle scent, is believed to reduce tension, calm the mind and body, and help to produce a peaceful, dreamy state. Clary sage has a fragrant and balanced scent, and it is thought to have a soothing effect and help to alleviate feelings of stress or anxiety. Bergamot has a fresh, sweet, and underlying citrus scent, and it is believed to help break up feelings of stress, tension, or depression. Cedarwood, with its woodsy, warm scent, is believed to ease stress, nervous tension, restlessness. Aromatherapy is an alternative medicine that has been used for centuries to improve overall health and well-being. It involves the use of aromatic essential oils, extracted from plants and herbs, to improve mood and provide relaxation. In recent years, aromatherapy has been found to be an effective method for improving sleep quality, helping to reduce insomnia and encourage restful sleep. The most popular essential oils used in aromatherapy for better sleep are lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood. Each of these oils has its own unique properties, however all of them can provide calming, restorative effects. Lavender oil is especially helpful for reducing anxiety and improving sleep, and is commonly used in homeopathic preparations for insomnia. Chamomile oil is often used for calming and soothing effects, helping to reduce stress and tension. Sandalwood oil has an earthy, woody aroma that can be used to create a relaxed and peaceful atmosphere. When using essential oils for better sleep, it is important to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for use. Depending on the oil you are using, it can be inhaled, used in a diffuser, added to your bath, or applied topically. Inhaling aromatherapy oils through a diffuser or directly from the bottle is the most effective way to get the most benefit from it. Diffusers disperse the aromatic molecules into the air, allowing them to be inhaled more easily. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to your pillow or blankets to enjoy the calming aromas throughout the night. Aromatherapy is a holistic healing method used to treat a variety of physical and emotional ailments. The therapeutic practice of inhalation and topical application of essential oils provide a unique form of relaxation that can help with managing stress, reducing anxiety, and providing comfort to those feeling overwhelmed. The use of aromatherapy dates back to ancient Egypt, when essential oils were used to create a pleasant atmosphere and also for medicinal purposes. Essential oils are derived from entire plants, or parts of plants, and their unique scents can influence both psychological and physiological responses within the body. Aromatherapy for stress relief works by invoking subtle changes in brain activity due to inhalation or topical application of the aromatic compounds in essential oils. Inhalation is the most common form of aromatherapy for stress relief. When essential oils are diffused, their aroma is able to reach areas that are beyond surface-level skin. Aromatic compounds are sent to the brain's olfactory receptors, thus stimulating the autonomic nervous system. These receptors can then trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, which create feelings of well-being. Topical application of essential oils is also beneficial. An aromatherapy massage using essential oils can help to reduce stress and tension, while at the same time providing a soothing and holistic experience. Massage and touch of any kind stimulate the release of oxytocin, which promotes a feeling of contentment and relaxation. Aromatherapy is an ancient practice of using natural aromatic oils to promote relaxation, improve well-being, and reduce stress and anxiety. Among its other benefits, aromatherapy has also been shown to be effective in boosting concentration and focus. In both clinical and at-home settings, essential oils have been used to promote alertness and improve cognitive performance. Lavender oil, for instance, has been found to reduce stress and improve time management when used before a task that requires concentration. Other essential oils, including rosemary, lemon, sandalwood, and peppermint, have also been shown to improve focus, alertness, and even memory retention. The best way to use aromatherapy for boosting concentration is to use an essential oil diffuser. Diffuse the essential oil of your choice in a designated workspace or in the area where you plan to work on a task that requires focus and concentration. Many essential oil diffusers will contain a timer and an adjustable setting of how much and how long the oil is to be diffused. Keep the area well ventilated, as too much of the oil may be overwhelming. You can also apply essential oils to your skin as long as the oil is diluted properly with a carrier oil such as jojoba or sweet almond oil. Apply the mixture to your wrists, chest, temples, or the sole of your feet to optimize the effects of the aromatherapy.